We just got the keys to our new place. This feels very surreal. Wow. It's a new era.
It always feels so bittersweet leaving an apartment. Last year, Samson, Kobe, and I moved back to New York City after being away for a year and a half. Getting a new place and adjusting back to city life was exciting, and we slowly made this place into our new home. I love this apartment so much. It felt so cozy and homey, and every apartment we've lived in, it always feels so sad to leave. It's like this place has collected so many memories and little milestones of your life, and you're leaving it for someone else to experience now. We've had our ups and downs with this place, but ultimately it was such a happy place where we invited friends and family over, decorated the way we wanted, spent the holidays, the winter months, the change of seasons, lazy weekends, laughs, cries, and new experiences in. It's the place where I started my brand Casual and You and packed your orders in our little living room. I'll miss this place so much, and it truly is such a gem in the city. As our lease was coming to an end, we slowly started to outgrow the space. It was on an avenue, so the noise would be endless day and night, so we started apartment hunting. I'm sure you guys have heard that apartment hunting in New York is quite hard, and after countless apartment viewings, I think we finally found the one. Every chapter happens for a reason, and I'll look back on this chapter and remember this cozy little apartment in the middle of the city and all the memories it has brought me. I honestly feel so grateful that we have these videos to look back to when I'm missing this place and this time in my life, but I don't think you ever really leave a home. The walls of this home will always hold our laughs and our memories. I'm excited for this new chapter that is in our lives and everything that it's going to bring us.
I'm just taking it all in. Samson went to get the super to do a walkthrough of the apartment. I think it's time to give you an empty apartment tour.
This is the living space. I am obsessed with these ceilings. It just feels so big and lofty in here, which is exactly what I was looking for. I just feel like it has so much character. It's a gloomy day today, but it's still so bright. I just love these ceilings so much. And then we go in the store. This is the bedroom. Again, the tall ceilings. I kind of just love this beam too. I feel like it adds so much character.
These are the closets. Got a lot of closet space in this new place, which obviously I'm very happy about.
Moving forward, this is the kitchen. Definitely a bigger kitchen than my current place, which we are very happy about. This island actually can be moved around, which is really nice. I love like the green tiles.
We'll be doing a lot more cooking in the walls, which is really nice.
And then here is bathroom. I like the lighting in here. Moving on. This was like another bedroom, but they took down the wall, and I think I'm just going to make this the dining room area. Just imagine like a long wooden table, candles, taper candles on top, some soft lighting. I feel like it could be a vibe. Then once you come this way, there's another bathroom here, which is nice because me and Samson don't have to share the bathroom. And we've got a closet, a lot of closet space, that washer dryer life. And this is going to be the office room. We're gonna put desk here and just like storage for casual and you too. But I think this is really nice for an office space for me and Samson. This also has 2 closets as well.
I'm so happy that we found a place that we really love. And I don't know if you guys remember from like a vlog or 2 ago, this is the apartment that we applied for and we got it and we manifested this. I wanted to find this sort of like lofty space. Feel very, very happy and very, very grateful to be here. The sun is coming in right now. Seeing this space makes me feel very inspired. Makes me very happy. Feels like a new chapter is here. This is definitely like a dream apartment for me.
Ta-da!
We came to Hamptons for the day to shoot some new bags. Casual and You's new tote that is launching at the end of summer. We caught this really beautiful sunset. We're looking like that. Mr. Samson over here shooting the everyday bag. Look at the sunset. Wow. And then you see the moon too. We have switched outfits.
Yeah, because someone didn't bring what they were supposed to wear.
We're shooting for a new bag. We have to switch shirts. You look very stylish.
Thank you. It's a good fit.
I'm gonna make you wear that out. Amateur hour. Don't know how to use these box lights. Figure it out as we go.
Last night in this apartment, which feels very surreal, honestly. I just journaled a little bit. At the end of every like apartment that I live in, there's always just like this feeling of like nostalgic, a little afraid of change. I always feel sad to leave something that you know. Tomorrow at 9 a.m. the movers are coming. My apartment, they were very good to us.
apartment is officially empty. Still have to come back later tonight to get a few more things. Just make sure the apartment is clean and all good. But for now, we are gonna head to the new apartment and start moving in. Good morning. Our first night in the new apartment was so nice and quiet. It's kind of life-changing, honestly. Today is a full day of just unpacking and kind of just sorting out the apartment. We have a lot of boxes to unpack. The living room is looking real cute with our furniture inside. Bedroom too, honestly. I'll give you guys a little update in a little bit. Actually unpacked a lot. It took forever to find our sheets though. We have the dresser set, the bed set, and the mirror set. I think I'm gonna put the mirror over here. Like it's nice lighting for like outfit photos. This is what the living room is looking like so far. We have the dining table set. I wasn't sure if I wanted to keep that or not. I wanted to get like a bigger, long dining table, but I think it looks pretty cute here. What do you guys think? Everything else is pretty much a mess. Let's turn these on. Oh, I don't even know where the light switches are. These are our boxes. Actually, we have gone through a significant amount of them, but obviously still a lot to unpack. Got some of the clothes up already in the closets. And so far the office room is a mess. It is what it is. So today the plan is obviously to try to get through maybe like half of these boxes, and I still need to figure out a better way to like organize my clothes. But I would say the apartment is looking really good so far. Back when we got this couch for the last apartment, I was like, oh my god, it's such a big couch. I always felt like it was a little big for our space, but right here it really fits it because of the high ceilings. Taking a break from packing, and this is the first time we actually have a rooftop. So we have this little bottle of champagne. We're going to go to the rooftop and enjoy a little night view. For the first time, I haven't been up there yet.